Even in my darkness, the sunshine. Even after midnight, the sunrise. Even when I'm down, I'ma get mine, get mine. The sun will shine again. 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 Yo, it is hot out here. It's like 97 degrees right now. It is super hot, and we have an outdoor shoot. This is about to be crazy. Man, it's too hot for me.
Turn left.
That's why I got tons of water with me because I'm not trying to get dehydrated and pass out. And I don't do the heat. I like the winter. Winter is my favorite season, and I want to move to Canada. Why? I don't know, just like Canada.
Continue
Never been.
for half a mile.
But I would like to go. But yeah. So yeah, I've been gone for a while. I'm back now. I haven't uploaded a video in like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, give or take. But yeah, I've just been swamped with so much work. So much was going on. Everything was getting overwhelming. So I had to step back and rethink some things. I've been remarketing, rebranding my entire business on Age Films. New website, new everything that's coming soon. Got so much coming, so much going on.
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to take the I-277 ramp.
GPS being rude. Been planning on this podcast, trying to get that going, and this has been a lot. But yeah, I'm back now. I finally got it slowed down a little bit. Still busy, but gotta make time for you guys. Gotta make time for the YouTube channel, you know. Been gone for a minute. Haven't really uploaded anything in a while. But yeah, that's what I want to talk about. What my plans were when I started and what my plans are now. I'm asking you guys what I should do because at this point I really don't know. Hot out this joint. Gotta get my keys out the bag. It is hot.
In 600 feet, turn left on Johnston Only Road.
111 degrees. That's what this thing is telling me. But yeah, the shoot went well, man. It was dope. It's gonna be a sick video. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Like, I'm not sure what direction I want to take this channel in, and like I said, I started out doing wanting to do like vlogs and filmmaking related things, and I kind of still want to do that, but
take the next left.
I started doing unboxing videos and tech videos, and I realized I like tech videos more. I'd rather have like a tech channel covering more like filmmaking related stuff or music related stuff, like speakers, microphones, that kind of stuff, because to me, I don't know, I like that stuff more. I love filmmaking, but I do it for a living,
for half a mile.
so I don't want to do YouTube based around filmmaking. So I mean, I still want to keep that filmmaking aspect, the filmmaking feel to it, the videography and stuff, and do the, like I said, doing reviews on cameras, different equipment, music stuff, tech related stuff, but it all stays into the creative field. And that's something I've been thinking about, and I've just been battling with that. And then it's just a lot that I want to do, and it's so much. But yeah, yo, like, please let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like, what should I do? And if you enjoy the content already, or if I should switch things up, because I'm at a point of changing everything from my YouTube channel, and I missed my turn, from my YouTube channel to my business, everything, just changing up everything. But yeah, it's been real. I'm back on this YouTube thing. We got some dope stuff coming, and yeah, like and subscribe, leave a comment, hit that like button, say it twice, and subscribe. I'm gonna repeat myself. But yeah, let's get it, yo. It's about to be dope. And where is my exit?